and welcome to our channel.
Alright, you guys, so the boys are out of the frame now. Well, leaving out of the frame now. I'm gonna go ahead and let Londyn get started. We're gonna start opening up her bags and seeing what's inside, and she's gonna tell you whether she likes them or not and what she likes about them and all that good stuff. So you guys stay tuned to see what's inside.
Okay, let's start. Let's start with this blue bag. Let's start with this blue bag right here.
First, let's see. What do you think's inside?
I think it's like a bag of clothes. I think I feel some shoes inside.
What does it feel like?
I feel it feels like shoes. I feel the like hard bottom right here, and then right here I feel like the clothes. So,
all right, go ahead and open it up. It's kind of hard, huh? You need help?
I got it.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, I got a gift card. Ooh. Mm-hmm.
So this is obviously for Mama.
Yeah. I got a plaid shirt. I can already see it. Okay. I think it's like a off-shoulder shirt. Like I have an oh, never mind. It's pants. Wow.
Ooh,
I thought
those
they were
are
gonna be
cute.
like Christmas colors.
Those are Christmas colors. What color are they?
They are black, green, and red. If you guys see that, it's like kind of like Gucci pants.
Gucci.
See, I think this next one is shoes. Yep, it's shoes. See, they cover their shoes up like this. If you guys get this package, it'll come in like that. I love these kind of boots.
They are cute. I can't even see them, but they're black, so. Ooh.
People gonna be hating when I go to school.
These are cute. Uh-oh. Looks like they sent the wrong size.
I think I can fit it.
No. You definitely cannot fit this. This is a size 13 in little kids. Have kids, you guys got some shoes coming back. Y'all got the wrong size.
Oh yeah, you can't fit.
If you guys, y'all. They've never done this before, so
I wear like size 4. I wear size 4.
Londyn wears a size 5, and they sent a size 13. So I don't think it's gonna be that hard to exchange it. Yeah, they say no problem. Exchanges and returns are easy. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna probably just send this right back and exchange it for another size. Obviously, Londyn cannot fit a size 13 if she wears a size 5. So
let's get on the next
they're cute,
bag.
but they're going back.
On to this yellow one. Y'all, gotta open on this side so you guys won't get our address.
Need help?
I got it. Shoes.
More shoes.
This seems like there's some
Yeah,
babies.
I pretty much just kind of stuck to shoes. I mean, Londyn has a lot of clothes and she's getting more for Christmas, so I kind of just wanted to get shoes.
I'm gonna try these on. These look comfy.
Show them. You have to show them the shoes.
I got these. I love kind of shoes like this.
Yeah, those are cute. Let me see. Let me see the other one.
Oh, these are so comfy inside. It's like, if you guys get these, if you put them on your feet, it's so comfy.
Let me see. I just want to feel the inside. Wow, they are really soft. They are super soft.
They can be good for like snow.
I wish they had them in my size, and they're so cute.
If you guys, if it's snowing, your feet can be warm.
These are really cute.
I'm gonna keep these on the whole time. It's cold.
Okay, you gotta show your feet. Lift them up. They are so cute.
This goes cool.
I'm so jelly. Like, I want me a pair now, Londyn. What's in that bag?
Shoes.
More shoes. Like I said, I just wanted to get shoes.
I can see the shoes.
Okay, see, these are my favorite. These are my favorite. You like them?
Yes.
Are they cute?
Yes. I can wear this with my flower shirt, my rose flower shirt.
Yes, these match perfectly with a shirt that you already have that you've never worn. These are so cute, man.
But like, we'll put them closer.
There
if you
they
guys
go.
can see those roses, it looks like my shirt. See? And it looks like the boys, but mine's is
Y'all will
on
probably
fleek.
be seeing these shoes worn around Christmas.
Oh, it's on you. Ooh, I got these red velvet like shoes right here. See them up. Ooh, you can see them up close.
Yeah, you know what? You actually do have a jacket that matches that you haven't worn either.
So if you guys like this,
Is that everything?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Bags are empty. I know it's taking me a long time. Yeah, but y'all need to wait.
Alright. With the exception of these that are going back, Londyn got these shoes
And these beautiful red like lipstick color.
and these. Actually, these match perfectly. I actually think these would match perfectly with these tights. What do you think?
I think it goes with this.
I don't think those match at all.
Look, okay, look, okay.
Guys, what do you guys think? Look at the colors. I mean, Londyn has her own style and that's cool and she can wear what she wants. But I personally think that these go
Like
perfectly. But you know what, you guys comment below and you guys tell us which shoes you think match best with these tights.
I'll try these shoes on. These are
Oh yeah, you forgot. We got these shoes also.
You gotta try all these shoes.
So all together, how many pairs of shoes did you get?
I got 3 pairs of shoes.
1, 2, 3,
and wait,
and
4.
4
I
pairs
forgot.
of shoes.
4 pairs of shoes. Do you guys like these roses shoes, these lipstick color shoes, or these?
These are so cute. I'm just so mad that they sent the wrong size because these are actually so cute. But
Or do you guys love this one? This one is
which
so
ones are
soft.
your favorite?
This pink one. They're both of the pink ones.
Both of the pink ones?
Yeah, there's dark pink and this baby pink.
Okay. I think those are cute. Well, I am so happy that they were able to get this to us before Christmas because at least Londyn can wear some of her shoes. Like I said, we do have to return the black ones because they don't fit, but she only has 2 sets of feet.
Yeah, I got 2 sets of feet.
She only has 1 set of feet, so she only needs 1 pair of shoes at a time, so it's okay. I'm just gonna return the shoes and wait on them to come back in her right size, and when they do, we'll do another unboxing video. You guys comment down below and let us know how you liked our video.
And shake maracas, shake maracas. I'm hungry. That's gonna be
hungry too.
gargling.
We've been.
Let's go get some juicy crab.
Oh.
What's up, guys? I'm back.
You can see it coming in.
Edit that out. Wait.
So today, all the kids had a dentist appointment. Well, except for Legend, Londyn, Taj, and AJ, they all had to go get cleanings. You guys want to tell them about your dentist appointment?
Yes.
I'll go first.
Go ahead.
What was fun about the dentist?
The dentist was fun.
We got to play games. We got to watch a movie.
What movie were you guys watching?
Moana.
Moana.
In London, what games did you guys play?
The race car game. We played Pac-Man and a golf cart game.
How was it in the back?
Fun.
You get it. I'll give it a 1 out of 10.
9.
Were you scared?
I'll give
No.
You said
I was a little bit scared. I thought they was gonna take some of my teeth out.
What about you, Taj? Did you have fun? What'd you like about the dentist?
They took my teeth out right here.
They didn't take your teeth out.
They just cleaned your teeth.
They just cleaned your teeth. That's all. Did they do a little brushing? Did they brush your teeth? They cleaned it really good? Yeah.
My
And did
teeth-
you get a prize after? That's pretty cool.
They gave us a ball.
They gave us like the boys a little squishy ball.
And then
that
they gave
has
us
water
new
inside.
toothbrush. They gave us new toothbrush. They gave us floss and they gave us toothpaste.
And so when we were there, we actually did a little bit of vlogging and we recorded our day at the dentist. We were pretty much there for a few hours, so the kids didn't even get to go to school today because we were literally there all day. It was 3 appointments back to back, so imagine, so we were there for a while. But I like dentistry for children because
It has entertainment for kids.
they keep the kids entertained, and so while we're waiting, the kids aren't just bored. Like, they have movies, they have games, they have
They have baby games and stuff.
yeah, they
upstairs.
have something for everybody. So it's pretty cool. People dread going to doctor's appointments and to the dentist because the wait times are just ridiculous. But every time I take them, it's always a pleasant wait, and it normally doesn't take that long, but it just took so long today because all 3 of them had an appointment at one time. So
And they had a tree house.
yeah,
they
we
had
did
a
have a
tree
tree
house.
house. That was cool. See, we've been to a couple different locations, and this location has a tree house, and this is the first time we've actually seen a tree house at dentistry for children. So that
Usually
was
they
pretty cool.
just have it downstairs where the kids just go in a movie theater.
Oh, they played
And
games.
And they
Oh,
had
they
a
play-
TV up there.
Yeah.
They had 2 TVs.
No, they did.
They had a TV
and
upstairs. They have a TV.
And when they were doing our teeth, we got to watch a movie. They had TVs up there.
It's like floating in the sky.
Every dentistry for children that we've been to has had a movie theater. So that is one thing
And
that
some games.
every single dentistry for children has had in common. They all have a kids movie theater, and I think that is so cool.
Well, I was watching Moana and Star Wars. I was playing Star Wars and EIL.
Yeah, and Pac-Man.
Yeah.
You like Pac-Man?
Yeah, I got some pretty cool footage of you playing.
I was bad at driving the car game because every time I try to drive, I was driving and then I hit a tree and then I hit a board. I kept on hitting everything.
Londyn drives like mommy, and you
I
drive
was driving reckless. I was like,
But I was doing good. I was like this. I almost hit the tree, but I was
you said
scared.
skirt.
All right.
If you don't like our
Subscribe,
video, you're gonna get a
comment down
big
below.
fat whooping.
All right, guys. So that's pretty much how our day went.
Button. Get our merch.
That's right. That's right. If you like what you saw in this video today, you guys can hit the subscribe button and comment below and give us some ideas. Let us know what you guys want to see us do, what you guys want us to talk about. This is our family channel, so you're gonna pretty much just see us doing a whole bunch of family stuff. So
All day, every day, baby.
yeah, pretty much. All right, you guys, hit the
Like
button.
button.
All right.
Yeah, y'all gonna see us going to Disney World. No.
Yeah, y'all gonna see us doing some pretty cool and fun stuff.
And
We
with
like
Disney
to
World,
have a lot of fun.
gonna be
soon
doing
in a couple of
slime.
days. And we're gonna boost our merch in a couple of days. So you guys stay tuned for that.
Alright, pause, stop it.
Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.